ride in Surrey. Gonna explore a few places. Oh, there's some crazy drinking team with me. It looks like one is already... Okay, one is already fucked. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're trying to figure out the exit from the parking. You were right. Okay, they're saying we need to book the tickets in advance. Let's see what's going on. Let's see if we can get inside. Okay, we got the ticket. Okay, this is all the area to explore when we are at the very entrance. Okay, let's do it. We lost one of the members. He was too drunk and he stayed somewhere in the parking. But we are going to check out this circle. Maybe we're gonna meet some druids there. Okay, this is the druid circle we see in the map. Okay, we have some pile of shit. Or whatever it is. Very big trees in here. Looks like our lost friend is calling us and asking how long we're gonna stay here. Let's run away. Someone mad is following us. What do you want? Have you been inside a watermill before? I definitely haven't been. Who is that? I think this watermill is haunted. There's a ghost.
Painshill.
It smells of old watermill. Well, who doesn't know how old watermill smells like? So this is Hermitage. Let's go check it out. We are doing a shortcut. This is not in a map. Don't do it. Don't repeat this at home. We are leaving the park and we're gonna look for a lost friend. Maybe he's drunk. Who is there with a beer? How are you? Are you drunk? Okay, we ride on Box Hill. Someone is still drinking.
Everywhere you go, take the
I have no idea what is he saying, but we are going to this natural trail. He's going to explore the hill for 4 hours now. He's a natural hiker. There were so many people in the other place, but in here there's absolutely no one. Okay, I'm going to finish my Box Hill exploration. The other guys went to pub to get wasted, so it's gonna be a fun drive back. So yeah, this is probably gonna be one of my last videos in England. So, see you in the next video.